we got new dimensions of learning. So whatever we have is like a bird's eye view. Now, okay, we open into a new arena of learning, and the practical approach of learning is what we have learned today, and how, as an L&D professional, what we have to do and how it has to be done. That has been very clearly has been explained to us. So the business impact is going to be more. And yes, we got new dimension. I was under the impression that 360-degree feedback is the best. And ROI, this is how it has to be calculated. But you get a different dimension, and the practical way and the most approachable way. There are 360-degree feedback, why shouldn't be used, and the next one, ROI, and how to use bars, and how to relate to the business outcome. Everything was explained very clear, and it was very structured and very practical. So I will be able to implement learning very soon in my office premises.